Lastly, we'll visit the 3 lines operated by Union Pacific, the UP West, Northwest, and North lines. Like the BNSF line that we visited earlier, these lines are operated under contract by Union Pacific. The 3 Union Pacific lines carry an average of 96,000 passengers a day. All Union Pacific trains terminate downtown at the Ogilvie Transportation Center, which many people still refer to as Northwestern Station, named for the old Chicago and Northwestern Railroad, which Union Pacific bought in the 1990s. Northwestern Station was a classic downtown railroad station, but was demolished in the 1980s. In its place is this gleaming new office building with a shiny new train station inside. This is one busy place with 185 trains arriving or departing each weekday. The Union Pacific West Line runs 35 miles west to Geneva. Like several of the other lines, it makes the transition from urban to more rural. The suburb of Glen Ellen seems quite far removed from the hustle-bustle of downtown Chicago. One of the things that one notices about the Union Pacific lines is that many of the cars have steel sides instead of the stainless steel of the other cars we've seen. These are some of the original double-decker commuter cars built for the Chicago and Northwestern in the late 1940s and early 1950s, and are nearing the end of their service lives. As we saw a few minutes ago, with routine maintenance, this equipment can last a long time. Geneva is the end of the line for the West Line commuter service, which sees nearly 60 commuter trains a day.